Hello everyone, this is Roshni Gautam from the Telegram channel Drishti Enlightening Special Needs. Even I am the special educator who can help your child to achieve different milestones, whether it is of any spectrum. So my today's topic is how to improve reading skills. So let's get started with the beautiful 2-3 steps of improving the reading skills. Hope you all can achieve a milestone with your children. Thank you. So today I am sharing tips to improve reading skills. First we'll start with the sight words. What exactly the sight words are? The words which help us to read the basic words. For example, a, and, all, always. So many parents does not know ki we can't tell children to read a and d and a l l all or a double l all. This is the wrong method of reading. You always motivate your child to read the word directly, not by spelling the words. For example, a, and, all, always. I know the child is not able to child is not able to tell directly, so little bit prompt of the parents is required as and when the child is able to know the words. For example, if my child is reading a and d, I will interrupt in that and I will tell that and, all. First you start reading with your child, then let him know the words what it is written until or unless he knows the word, and then move forward. Move forward like a, and, all, always, before, because, but, between, and so on. Now my second tip is for reading improving skills is check on spellings. Method to be used for check on spelling is write same spellings 5 times or 10 as per your child grasping power. For example, if you had given if he has to read the spelling of bread, he will say and write bread. Now here you need to spell the alphabets and make a word. B-R-E-A-D, bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Now from after 2 lines, bread. So 5 times. If he is not able to grasp that much, you can tell him to write 10 times so that his grasping power as well as memory improves in reading. Now then check on how you will check on that he will be able to read and write the spelling. These are the 2 different methods. You first write the whole word, then leave the one blank. Hope he will be able to do. Then the 3 words, skip the 3 words, then skip 4 words, then again skip 4 words. This is the tricky one. Again skip the 4 words, and then the whole spelling he is able to write. After that, after the third method, this is the steps to improve. Sight words, then check on spellings, then use reading comprehension worksheets. For there are lots of reading and comprehension worksheets you can find in the Google, as well as the Telegram channel where I am providing with the worksheets. You can find many more the simpler to complex worksheets on reading comprehension. So reading comprehension, for example, the Sam the cat, or the starting with the this is a cat, this is a you can help and prompt the child to read and write, and then afterwards you can tell children to read it alone. So after that, to find the more worksheets, you can join my Telegram channel. I will share the link in the description box. Thank you very much.